Alright, so I'm about to show you a very simple, easy app to use. All you're going to be doing is taking pictures of your receipts. I'm going to show you how much you can make, show you how the process goes. You see here I have $7.35, all from taking pictures of your receipts. So if you have a receipt, you just click scan. You just want to make sure you get a full picture of the receipt and that it's within the last 7 days. After you do that, you basically just click submit and wait for it to credit you. And you see there I got 10 cents just for taking pictures of a receipt. After you do that, when the ad will pop up, you can always just go back. You see now my balance went up from $7.35 to $7.45. So very simple app to use, not a lot involved in it at all. So I'm gonna show you the different cash out options that you can have. You can cash out at a minimum of $1. You see here they have Amazon that you can use. They have the bank, PayPal, all these different options that you can choose to cash out on. Like I said, all you need is $1. I will tell you that once you actually take a picture of a receipt, it'll probably be like a couple of hours before that processing goes through. So yeah, the money will be in your account, but you have to actually make sure that it's within the last 7 days and that it's a clear picture. But nonetheless, you can still cash out once it goes through in a couple hours. Like I said, I'm going to cash out with my bank. I'm going to use Zelle. So $7.32 I can cash out. I'll just request Zelle here, and now my balance went down to 13 cents. That's a 13 cent that just pending. So very simple app to use. Not really much to say about it. It's very simple. Just take a picture of your receipt. Every receipt that you get, take a picture of it. You can make anywhere between 2 cents to 25 cents. I think that's the most I've ever made for a receipt. But like I said, it's very easy. I will leave the link to it in the description. Remember, you can cash out at a minimum of $1. That's all you need. It does not take long to reach that. So get involved with it today. Click on the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.